speak with a image consultant, and that person's role is to determine if this is the right fit for you or not. And if it's not the right fit for you, we'll give you suggestions on maybe what you could do. If it is the right fit for you, we're gonna explore a little bit further with you about what you want to achieve. We will take before and after photos so we can help show you the progress that we're making throughout the day. You're gonna spend the day with us. It's gonna take a good 5 or 6 hours to get this procedure completed. You're going to have lunch with us, we're gonna have breaks, we're gonna spend pretty much the majority of the day together. You are going to help choose the right hairline. We don't just start, we wanna make sure that you love it. We slowly work towards getting that hairline developed exactly how you want it, and then round 3 or 4, you'll be finished with the procedure. We're gonna go over aftercare, and then once you leave, we'll reach out to you in a few days just to make sure everything is great, and if there is anything that you would like to change or to add, you know, again, that's included in up to the first 12 months. But our goal is to really keep you in contact with us and make sure that it's exactly how you want you to look.